Wyomissing Borough, Cambridge Commons, 715 Old Mill Road, a structure fire. Station 79, Station 85, Ladder 64, Reading Ladder 1, Engine 85, Engine 69, Engine 36, Engine 57, 11 Rick, Medic 6521. Wyomissing Borough, 715 Old Mill Road at Cambridge Commons, between Cambridge Avenue and High Road, E25. Structure fire reported smoke from the dishwasher. Use Berks Fire Ops 1 after response 2037.
Berks 25 is on location. Switching off one.
P25 on location, going off 1, 2040.
Berks 185 is on location. Standing by at the hydrant at Cambridge and Old Mill.
Copy, Engine 85 on location, standing by the hydrant, Cambridge and Old Mill, 2042.
36 with 2.
Engine 36 with 2, 2046.
P2501, 3604.
Alright.
I'm sitting here at Evans and Old Mill.
Alright, close it down there. Nothing comes up towards us. From inside, on Division 2, occupant was reporting that when they started the dishwasher started to smoke. No signs of fire or smoke at the current time. Have command view, moving forward operators there. Division 2 on channel 1. Copy that. You be the interior on Division 2. I will be command and we'll be operating on 1.
F85.
From Cambridge Commons, crews have made access to the involved department. At this time, there's no sign of fire or smoke. They're investigating the status of the appliance. We're going to continue to haul all units until we can verify conditions inside. I'll be assuming Cambridge Commons command, and we will continue operation on Fire Ops 1.
F85 copy, no sign of smoke or fire, you're checking the appliance. We're going to take over command, continuing Ops 1, 2040.
Traffic 64 arriving. Command, Fire Police Command, in assignment for Traffic 64.
64, you can restart.
Traffic 64 available.
There's the corner to keep that shut down. I'm going to go up here to the building road entrance here.
85, 201, 69, 201. Your wishes for 69 and 36.
Just keep it closed here for now.
Okay. It is operating Wyomissing Borough, Cambridge Commons, 715 Old Mill Road. Per command, time is being held at engine 85, engine 79, ladder 64. All the units can recall. 2045.
Risk 11 available, switch back up.
The rest to them. 2046.
Or attention 57 available.
Engine 57, 2046.
soon as one truck moves off Old Mill Road, we call up detection.
Okay.